Lost your Element Xumo TV remote? No problem. First, check for a power button on the TV itself, usually located on the bottom right or left edge, or under the center logo. A single press should power it on. If that doesn't work or you prefer a digital method, download the Element TV app or a universal remote app like Samsung SmartThings on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure your TV and device are on the same Wi-Fi network for seamless pairing. Lastly, HDMI CEC allows other connected devices such as gaming consoles or streaming sticks to automatically turn on your TV. Enable HDMI CEC in your TV settings menu under the System or Inputs section. If the physical button doesn't work, try holding it down for 5 to 10 seconds to force a restart. For the mobile app method, ensure the TV is connected to Wi-Fi and that you've granted the app necessary permissions. If you're using HDMI CEC, verify that both the TV and the connected device have CEC enabled in their settings. Note that CEC compatibility can vary between devices. Also, ensure you've got all the latest firmware updates installed. A common issue is firmware glitches. If all else fails, consider a factory reset via the power button or contact Element support for assistance. Remember that all methods require the TV to be plugged into a functioning power outlet.